In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is launching settings and tapping on this section at the top. Then hit device name and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, hit OK and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!